Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my marshmallow pops. They're really good, great for Valentine's Day too, so let's get started. Happy Valentine's Day! So I have this chocolate. It's the almond bark and it's the vanilla flavoring. So now I'll open it up. For now I'm just going to melt the 6 squares. I'll cut it up. I'll place this in my microwave. I have my bowl and I'm placing the chopped vanilla flavoring almond bark in. To this almond bark, the vanilla flavored almond bark, I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of this Crisco, and it's just shortening. I'll place it in. Now I'll place this in my microwave to melt. I place it in my microwave for 2 minutes. So now it's all melted. And what I'm going to do is open up my marshmallows. I have some sticks here that I purchased in the craft shop. I'll put 2 marshmallows on it. Just like that. Now I'll dip it in the vanilla flavored almond bark. Make sure the underneath is coated. Now I have all different kind of sugar crystals. So I'll take the blue. I'll place this over a bowl. Just sprinkle it right on top of the melted chocolate so it's coated really good. Do the top and see how nice that looks. So I placed it on top of my measuring cup. Once I get a couple in here, then I'll place it in my fridge to firm up. So now I'll continue on with the rest. Put a marshmallow on, then another one. I'll make this one coconut, so I'll open up my coconut. Dredge it through the vanilla almond bark. Tipping it upside down to take off any excess. Now I'll take some of the shredded coconut. Place it all on top. Oh yeah. Along with the coconut, I'll take my green sugar crystals. That looks nice. Now I'll place this in my measuring cup. do a couple more. Making sure to coat the bottom. Scrape off any excess that I can see that may drip. Turn it upside down. I'll take these sprinkles. Just sprinkle it on top of the melted chocolate. Make sure it's on top. Now I'll put this in my measuring cup. I'll take the pink sugar crystals. Oh yeah. And I'm letting everything drop in this bowl. Now doesn't that look nice? This will be a good project for the kids. I'll do one more. Place it in. Now with all this extra, with everything dropping in here, I have the blue sugar crystals, the pink, the sprinkles, the coconut. I'll just take it and roll it in here. And this is a mixture of everything. Making sure to get the bottom. So I'm not wasting anything. So now I'll put this in my measuring cup to hold it up. I'll place them in my fridge to let them firm. That's what it looks like. So into the fridge it goes. Now I have a casserole dish in front of me. It's a 9 by 13. I'll take some of these marshmallows. Line them up. I'm standing them up in this pan. Making sure I have an even amount. So 2 more. So I have 35 marshmallows in my pan. So I have 5 in a row and 7 across. So now I'll take the rest of this chocolate. I'm just going to pour it on top of the marshmallows. I'll be mixing it all up. So you want to coat all the marshmallows. Oh yeah, that looks good. So now what I'm going to do is stand them up. Make sure that one's coated. So I'm just standing up the marshmallows, making 5 rows. So it's 5 down, 7 across. Getting sticky. but they are good. You want to make sure you stand them all up before the chocolate starts to harden. I keep calling it chocolate, but it's the vanilla almond bark. Alright, that looks good. So now what I'm going to do to this, I'll take some of the pink sugar crystals, sprinkle it all on. Take some of the blue. You can take whatever color you want. Now I have green. I'll take some of the red. And some of the yellow. And you want to sprinkle all your colored sugar on before the vanilla almond bark starts to harden. So now I'll place this in my fridge. And the reason why I made the rows is so that you can kind of cut around them to take them out to eat them. So into the fridge it goes. So you can get these sticks in a craft shop. They're about 6 inches. There's 20 of them in a package. Or you could get the smaller ones. It's been 30 minutes since I had the marshmallow pops in the fridge, so I'll take them out. See how nice that firmed up? So you can see how pretty that looks. You can put a little ribbon around the bottom and give it away as a marshmallow pop bouquet. See how pretty that looks? So now I'll give one a try. That's really, really good. That vanilla flavored almond bark melted on top of the marshmallows with the sugar crystals, really, really good. I know the kids will love making this. Yum. My marshmallow squares have been in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now I'll take them out. Now doesn't that look nice? And the reason why I lined it up so it makes it easier to cut, because you can see how hard the chocolate is now, the vanilla almond bark. See how nice they look? So now you can serve individual marshmallows with the vanilla almond bark and the colored sugar crystals on top. Makes a nice treat for the kids and adults. So now I'll try one. I'll cut between it. See how easy that was? So now I'll give it a try. Really, really good. Really curb your sweet tooth. See how quick and easy this was to make too? Simple. I know the kids will enjoy making this because this was a lot of fun. Enjoy. Well, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Enjoy these marshmallow pops. They're really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my marshmallow pops. They're great for Valentine's Day. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.